Looking for an easy way to monitor your heart health at home? Meet the OKLAR W1101L blood pressure monitor, designed to give you quick, stress-free readings in just seconds. With its clear LCD screen, simple one-button operation, and built-in memory for past results. Lightweight, accurate, and convenient, it's the reliable partner you need for everyday blood pressure monitoring, anytime, anywhere. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the blood pressure monitor, power cord, instruction manual, quick start guide, and a storage case. Want to grab the OKLAR W1101L blood pressure monitor from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Features: sleek and compact design takes clinically accurate readings anywhere, anytime, without awkward wires or hoses. Store up to 240 readings for 2 users, allowing easy tracking and comparison of measurements. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. Automatic blood pressure cuff features a voice broadcast function, making it ideal for individuals with poor eyesight. You can adjust the volume or turn off the sound using the set and memory buttons. Specifications: product description: wrist cuff, display, memory button, setting button, start or stop button, display symbols, install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Safety precautions: avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Wrap the wrist cuff firmly around your wrist. Make sure that you're wearing it on your bare wrist. Step 2. Make sure that the cuff has a clearance of 1 finger or 1 to 2 centimeters between the cuff and the bottom of your palm. Step 3. Position your arm so the cuff is at the same level as your heart, and sit down with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Relax and press the start or stop button and get your result on the LCD display. Measurement classifications: normal blood pressure, fluctuation, blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips: Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your OKLAR W1101L blood pressure monitor. See you in the next one.